Okay, I'm hoping the sound is working this time. Lots and lots and lots of changes. So this is the paddock that adjoins Tanner's barn. And this is Walace and his father Bow. And they are putting in secure fencing, because we like secure fencing. So they're wooden uprights, and they will have wire attached to it with a horizontal crossbar on the top. So down here we have Arthur, who's inspecting progress, and this creates a paddock that joins on with the arena, and will also join on with Wallace's space within the barn. And this is going to be Wallace's space in here. It is, I'm not even sure if the door's open, but I'm going to give it a wee shot. It is what was formerly, no it's not, it was formerly the kennel area that adjoined on to the donkey hill. So this bit behind here will be refurbished and the door reinstated. There will be 2 stalls at the other side of this wall, and Wallace will have his training horses here. Arthur is obviously, you know, keen to make sure that it's been done to his high standards, and it's either that or he's trying to go and drink the Dunkin' Donuts. Arthur, you're on the wrong side of the fence, you doofus. You're such a naughty boy. But we love you. Yes, we do. Hello, precious. There we go. So, lots happening. In, I don't know how many days have we had this place. It's all happening now.